Hello my beautiful people, happy Easter again. If you guys celebrate Orthodox Easter, happy Easter, Paște fericit. So today I have this beautiful colorful makeup look. I kind of wanted to go with the same theme, you know, colorful eggs, bunnies, flowers, spring, Easter, all that jazz. So I wanted to keep going with this colorful, playful theme. So I created this beautiful eye makeup look. It was super easy if you ask me. It was super easy. So if you guys want to see how I created this colorful eye makeup look, then keep on watching. Today I'm gonna use the tape because I want that sharp cut in there. And again, like in my previous makeup tutorial, I'm gonna do the exact same steps. Like I'm gonna use my NYX Jumbo pencil and a little bit of this P. Louise eyeshadow base under my eyebrow to kind of make it look a little bit more skin-like, because this NYX Jumbo pencil is white, as you can see. And with the same brush, I'm gonna take a little bit of this P. Louise eyeshadow base and I'm going to try to blend these two together. First, I'm going to start with my transition shade, and I'm using You from the She Glam eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to, like, I'm not gonna be very precise, but this will be my transition shade. And I don't know why my camera is not focusing on my face. Hello, camera. As I said, I'm not gonna be very precise with this one because you can barely see it, and it will mix with the other shades we're gonna use. This is a very forgiving eyeshadow formula. I love it, and the colors are stunning. You guys need to try She Glam eyeshadow palettes or formula. Today I'm not using pink, but I'm using purple, which looks pretty much pink, but it's not pink. It's like a purplish, pastel, vibrant purple. And I'm going to place it right at the end of my eye. I'm going to build this up because you want your eyeshadows to show. And when you use pastels, I'm telling you, you want to have a very white-like base so you can see the eyeshadows. Next, I'm going to cut the crease. I'm using the P. Louise eyeshadow base to initiate my cut crease, and then I'm going to go again with the NYX Jumbo pencil, and I'm using a very tiny precise brush. So I'm doing a half cut crease, and you guys, if you're not good at doing cut creases, practice makes perfect, okay? Doesn't have to look perfect. Keep practicing. I believe in you. You can do it. If I can do it, biatch, you can do it as well. Now I'm going to go with this Jumbo pencil. Nice. Next, I'm going to pick this beautiful purplish, bluish shade, and I'm going to place it right where the first purple ends. And I'm going to try to blend them together. Next, I'm going to go with the yellow. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, they have names. And I don't know why I picked this brush, because it's too large and I can't be precise. Anyway, I'm switching to a smaller one. And again, I'm going to try to blend them together. I'm going to go back with the bluish purple I just used. And then I'm going to pick a little bit of this first color we used. Oh wow, I love this. It looks so beautiful and so colorful. Very Easter-like. So you guys, I'm Orthodox, and that means we celebrate Easter 1 week after. You guys already celebrated Easter, so it makes absolutely no fucking sense. It seems like Jesus has risen twice a year. What kind of white magic is that? Can someone please explain? Anyway, in my head it makes absolutely no sense. Like, why do Catholic people, Catholic, celebrate Easter 1 week before us. I will never get to comprehend that. Honestly, it's giving witchy vibes. Oh my god, let's see how sharp this is. Okay, I can definitely clean that. So very fast, I'm gonna do my face makeup and all that jazz, and I'm gonna be back. I feel like I want to do some type of graphic wing liner. I kind of want to do that, like a bunch of lines here maybe.
A few moments later.
On my bottom lash, I'm gonna start with this beautiful purple shade. It's called Euphoria. I had no idea they have names. And then I'm going to blend it out with You, which is the shade, the nude shade from the She Glam eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to start first the purple. And I got that in my eye. As you can see, it's okay. It's okay. So I just want a little bit of something on my bottom lash line. I saw someone on TikTok using the NYX pencil in the waterline, and then she goes with the eyeshadow on top of it, and the color is so beautiful, so bright. But because I have sensitive eyes, I cannot apply this on my waterline, which sucks because I would go with this purple in my waterline. But it's okay, it's okay. Okay, so as I said, I kind of want to do a graphic line in there because I don't know, I feel like it's a little bit too basic. Should I go like, I would like do a type of, I don't even know how to call it. Oh my goodness, I feel like I will mess this up, and that's not my goal. I'm using the She Glam eyeliner. This is the best. You guys need to try it. Okay, let's focus. What the heck is that? Not bad. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna leave it like that. It looks like we have such a cute wing liner in there, but it's not a wing liner. Let me do the same, or at least try to do the same on my other eye. If you know the struggle, you know the struggle. They're not identical, which, wow. But from far they kind of look similar, right? Okay, listen, with the lashes and stuff, it looks like those tiny black lines are similar, but they are not. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's totally fine. On my lips, I'm gonna use the exact same products I used in my previous video. So I'm using the Essence Soft Precise Lip Pencil in the shade Legendary. I didn't want to apply mascara on my bottom lashes because I want you to see a little bit of that color I have in there. But if you want to apply mascara on your bottom lashes, you do you. But I did it on purpose, okay? Because I want you to see a little bit of this purple in here. This is the finished look. On my face, I used the exact same products as I did in my previous video, so I'm gonna not tag them, I'm gonna list them down below. I kind of want to go with some glitter on top, but I won't, because I want to keep this as simple as possible, even though it looks crazy sophisticated. I mean, I'm exaggerating obviously. With those tiny little lines in there, it looks like, oh my goodness, how did you do that? But you saw me struggling, right? It was like whoop, 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 and then whoop, 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 whoop. I tried a lot to make this side look at least similar to this side, but it's okay. From far you cannot tell. By the way, I used again the Demi Wispies lashes. So that's it, my beautiful people. This is the eye makeup look. So let me just get a little bit closer so you can see how beautiful and colorful it looks. I freaking love it. Alright, my beautiful people, so this is the final result. I honestly love it. I love how colorful and playful it looks. Very similar to the makeup look I did last week, or maybe this week. I don't even know when I posted that. Anyway, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think down below. Just let me know, okay? Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Happy Easter if you guys celebrate Easter 1 week later. So, paște fericit!